at this, man. Look.
Will you leave that alone? You're like a little kid in the candy store with it.
I love it.
Hey, welcome back to Motorhead Garage. Well, folks, what we've got here is a unique tool cart with some tools you probably haven't seen before.
Yep. Now, these are highly specialized, and they have a purpose. If you have a vehicle that gets dented from hail or some other object, like you say, maybe a shopping cart or something, that dent will drive you crazy. As long as the paint's not broken, you don't need the conventional refinish.
Well, it's called paintless dent removal is what it is.
Right.
And we've got the master here that knows all about it and has developed a lot of these kind of tools. And Steve Hoff, welcome to the show.
Hi, guys.
Tell us a little bit about this now.
What this is here is this is a case cart. Okay, this cart folds up into a suitcase, and then we brought it open into a cart that holds all of our specialized tools. This is my preferred selection of tools that I've chose to bring here to do a few repairs for you guys. We've got a variety of different tools, and what they are is they're heat-treated rods that allow us to go in from the back side of the panel and apply pressure with leverage and massage the dent out from the back side.
Looks like, you know, they coated handle. This looks like stainless. So Ultra Dent Tools, you build all these.
Ultra Dent Tools is a recognized manufacturer of high-quality dent repair tools worldwide, and yes, we manufacture them in Riverside, California.
Cool. Now, besides having all of these tools you got here, and they have all kinds of handles that fit on these fixtures and so on, what else do you need to do this job right?
You need a specialized light.
Well, like this one right here.
What we have here is the Ultravision LED shop light, and what it does is it allows us to see clarity and definition on the panel, and we set the light up to where the light source is on the far side of the dent, and we go in and we manipulate with the tools, and we'll bring the dent out.
You just work it right on out so that, yeah, and you can see it as you're doing it, right?
Correct, yeah.
That's a pretty sizable dent right there. And of course, this guy's truck is beautiful. He keeps it nice and clean. Kind of a funny color, but you know, if you get in there, I see you got the tail light out, so you're going to get in from behind the panel. You can make the dent disappear.
Correct. This is a typical hail or door ding. And what we've done here is we've removed the tail light with a few screws. We pulled it out, disconnected the lights, and we're going to go in from the inside, the back side of the panel, and we're going to, with leverage, we're going to apply pressure and slowly manipulate or massage this dent out from the inside out.
Well, let's go ahead and get her started.
So what we have to do is we have to go in and locate the tip of the tool. Once we've located the tip of the tool, generally start on the outer edge of the dent because it's easier to see it. And then we slowly start to work our way into the depth of the dent.
Now that whole panel's moving, I can see it, but you can see with that light just exactly what you're doing.
I can see exactly where I'm at with the tip of the tool, which is the critical point that allows us to be able to lift this dent up from the inside out.
What's the typical time it takes to do a dent like that? If you're good like you.
A dent like this, typically we have to be able to do this in about 3 to 5 minutes.
Wow.
To be efficient at it when we're doing hail damage.
You know, I got to check this out because I'm going to run my hand here. Honest to gosh, you cannot feel that at all. That is pretty slick.
Here, I want to see you do that again.
Now, I've heard of guys, you know, being able to do this, especially like on high-end cars, you know, nobody wants to have a little bit of dent on there, so they want to have those taken care of. But boy, that is a slick way to do it.
Now, a lot of guys go on the road, they have these mobile, paintless dent removal jobs. Do you have any special equipment for being on the road, or is it this deal right here?
Well, most guys have a truck with a tonneau cover, and they put all their tools in the back, and that's all this stuff typically needs to break down, and that's the beauty of this cart and that light. They're all portable. A lot of guys will carry a gun case, and they'll put the tools into a gun case and then load them into the back of the truck.
Well, that's good. Now, you can also do work on the motorcycle tank as well, so.
Correct.
That's a big job for you, right?
So remember, if your paint is not broken, paintless dent removal is the best way to go. Get it back. When you get a master like him, you do a great job. We're going to take a break. Stick around. We got a lot more coming here at Motorhead Garage.